Okay, so today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo. Just arrived. And it came in the normal Zippo black box. And the label has been ripped off of this one, so this is not the box that goes with it, but it is a genuine Zippo made in USA in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the insert, but the Zippo is the Tequila Zippo, I guess you could call it, and it was made in J of 18. I think that's October. Really good stampings on this. It's got that orange finish. Not too many orange Zippos. Good sound. Steel insert. Fires right up. Let's do a drop test on this tequila. When I just happen to have a nice little bottle of Solana silver 100% agave tequila, and the hang tag on this says it's got 90 points. Got 90 points in the taste test in 2014, I guess. And it does have a 3-minute Solana margarita mix or instructions on the back. Yeah, it's 80 proof, 40% alcohol. And let's see where this is made. Distilled and bottled by Compañía Tequilera de Arandas, Rancho Palos Colorados, Arandas in Mexico. Imported by IWA Distilling in Louisville, Kentucky. So that is Solana Tequila. And let's take a look at this Zippo. Again, it's in orange. It's got a nice sombrero. Now this tequila does not have the worm like that bottle on the Zippo does. At least I don't see it. It's got a south of the border sombrero. Let's do a drop test on this thing. A lit drop test. Okay, so the tequila Zippo passes the drop test. It's a good one. And I am going to give this made in the USA Zippo a little cowbell. And I'm going to go get a burrito. Knuckle bump.